My wife accused me of domestic violence. The police are coming. What should I do? Attorney Ron Thomas says, do not talk to the police. In fact, you should watch the very informative YouTube video entitled Don't Talk to the Police to see why you should never say anything to the police except the information needed to verify your identity. You should tell the police that you are exercising your constitutional rights to not answer questions from them. Even if you are completely innocent, never fall into the trap of thinking you can tell the truth and the cop will agree that you are right and then leave you alone. In the cop's eyes, you are likely to be seen as guilty until proven innocent. You can very easily say something that can be misinterpreted, or the officer could twist your words. If it's your word versus a police officer's word, you are likely to be perceived as the less credible witness in the courtroom. Instead of foolishly debating with the cops, contact our office immediately for assistance. Accusations of domestic violence are not uncommon in family court cases. Some women will make false allegations of domestic violence to try to gain an advantage in a pending custody battle. It's a very dirty tactic. Often, the women will obtain an order of protection against you. Do not be confused by the paperwork. Some men think they must request a hearing within 5 days or 10 days, depending on what the notice says, or they will forfeit their right to fight the order of protection. This is incorrect. You can challenge the order of protection at any time, and the court must then set a hearing within 5 or 10 days, depending on whether you are excluded from your residence. When you come to our office, we will decide on the best timing to challenge the order of protection. In some cases, we may not even challenge it at all if we think that's the best course of action. If you are accused of domestic violence, you must seek legal advice immediately. Otherwise, you could jeopardize the strength of your custody case. Many good fathers have been destroyed by false allegations of domestic violence. There are effective ways of challenging false allegations of domestic violence and exposing your wife for what she has done to you. Call our office today for help.